introduce myself first. My name is Naysha Salsabila Pirman with my student ID 2024-32075. So I'm here to do an explanation about a database that I made in the SQL. So at first I want to give you an introduction. So let's head out to the explanation. Alright guys, so I'm here give you a tutorial that first of all you should open an XAMPP like in here, and then you can just search it XAMPP and then click it, and then first of all just make sure that you start the app page and the MySQL like this. Okay, alright, after you guys are done with the starting things, like you can just go to the Chrome or your browser whatever you use, and then you can just click this this link, and then you just type it and then enter. Alright, it takes a while, and then after you get in here, you can just make a new database. So here I am to give you a tutorial how to make a database. So alright guys, so first of all you can just go to the baru, or in English we call it new. After you click it, you can just put your whatever you want to base data, and for me I want to use right, why don't I just show you what I want to make in this database. Alright guys, so I have the paper in here, and I want to say it that I want to make a Kirapika merge database that usually just sell a merge anime in this world when anime is kind of booming, like a kind of a trendy thing. So I want to make a merge database. A shop that sell a merge. So what we need in here, like a data product, data category product, data supplier, data pelanggan or the customers, and then data staff and the transaction data, or I will make it as an orders, and then orders detail, and then the product. So that's all the entity or the things that we will put in the database. So next I want to show you that this was a table that we will contain in the entity, and then just like this. So I show it to you all, and then products, and then customers, and then staff, and then orders, and then order details, and then blah 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 blah. And then after you know what you want to make, you can just the next thing you can do is just make an RD or entity relationship diagram. So in here I want to make a matrix relationship first, and then after that I can visualize it in the RD. Alright. And then hello guys, so next I want to show you, actually I already have a database like this, Kirapika merge, but I will make a new one to give you an explanation. So first of all, if you want to make a database, you can just go to these things that vary in the left things, and then in the upper the right, and something like that. So you can just click it, and then put the name of your database. Like for me, like say Kirapipi. I made a new one actually to make a chance, but actually it's still the same. I use the same table, but I just changed the name. I'm sorry, kind of misgiving. And then for me, first I want to make a customers table or entity. Customers. Oh no, I want to make an orders. Sorry. Orders. And then for orders, as you can see in my previous papers, like in here, and no, not here. In here, you can see it in here that I have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 8 data. So you can just put it in here. Like in here, you can just put in a column and then make it. You can just click it, and after that you can just put all of these things, like for example, like order ID, order underscore ID, and then for the lane is for 6, and then for the type is char. Where is char? And then for the you can just do it for, I will skip it in for now. Alright guys, so this is all the table that we have, or the form that you, I mean like the entity, or yeah, something in the table and everything that it is. So you can put the char as a type, like char is contains some variable and variable and variable, and that, since we need a that in the order that, so you can just use a that type, and then yeah, the rest of it just like this, and then you can just scroll down and then save it, and then boom, your entity is already made. So next you can, alright guys, so next one, what I want to explain to you, like this, wait, loading. So I want to show it to you that actually in entity we have a primary key. So how to make a primary key in your entity? You can just go to the entity again, and then like this, and then you can go to the structure, and then as you know in the structure, the order ID, I mean like in the orders, the primary key is also of course obviously is order ID. You can just click the align, yeah, or the others, and then yeah, actually you just click this one, and then after you can just click this, and then okay, and then your order ID already are a primary key in your entity. That's how to use it. Alright guys, next, after you already put all the on your entity primary key, next you can go to make relationship. So yeah, I want to show you how to make a relation between entities. So for this, I can do all of this, so because I'm already tired, so I just go to my real database. So actually I give you an example. So go to the orders, and then yeah, click entity you want to put a relation, and then go to the structure, and then click the tampilan hubungan, or maybe it's just relationship, yeah. After you click it, you can do the same thing as me. As example, like in the customer and the score, there's a foreign key like a customer ID, and then after this you can just put it in here, and then click where database, and then click the table, and then a column. Yes, that's all. So that's how you put relation between entities. Okay, next guys. Alright guys, so next I want to explain to you how to add some form in your entity. So you can just go in the entity you want to put a new form, and then yeah, like this. Yeah, so you see, after you click it, and yeah, you just go to the tambahkan or add in, and then you can just put it like order ID. For example, an order ID I made new is ST006, ST006, and after that you can just put a customer ID. Oh, since it's already our foreign key, you can just click this one and choose which one of the customer ID you want to put. For example, I will use the one, and then for the staff ID, I mean like just say that the ST001 that handle the orders, and then after that order that is, you can just, if you want to make it more quick, you can just click here and then click 7 July. Yeah, just click it anyway, just whatever you want or whenever it was happen, and then after that you can just put the total price. So for example, I want to put it as 35000, and then after that you can just payment method, let's say credit card, and then for the order status you just say it complete. Yes, I'm sorry, complete. And then after you already are, for the shipping address, let's just say Jalan Bulgaria. No, I mean like just Jalan Duri Kosambi, yeah. Duri Kosambi. After that you can just scroll down, scroll down, and then click this send. It's already added, and then you can just, if you want to see it if it already added or not, you can just go click here, and then boom, you can see it that it already are added in here. Alright guys, last thing that I want to show you is how, if did you already see someone like, I mean like some entity that, yeah, I mean the design or the something like that. Yeah, actually, yes, let me show you. If you want to see something like the relation, you can the relation that you made before, you can just go click the database and then go to the designer, and after you go to the designer, you can just boom see it. The so that means this is was related to this and then blah 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 blah. Okay guys, that's simple. Okay. Alright guys, so I think that's all for me. If I've made a mistake or anything, just forgive me. So last word from me is thank you for watching and listening, and then assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you.